This is the F22 with a very interesting shift in how it shows time. It gives you a wallpaper with the time on it when you twist your wrist, which is different than the selectable watch face that you can have on the watch. So whenever you turn the watch on, by doing your arm twist, you're going to get a different display than the one that you've chosen. When you swipe down, you have a flashlight that lights the screen up white, your brightness level, and overall do not disturb, along with the time and power level that's in the watch. When you swipe back to your watch face, come over to the side, you get last night's sleep time, your current heart rate, and then your current step count, distance traveled, all that stuff, and you're back to the time. Same thing when you go the other direction. When you go up, you slap into your app drawer where you have your step count status information, and then you can take some measurements. You can do a heart rate, instantaneous, blood pressure, and blood oxygen using a green diode, not the new fancy red diode technology for blood oxygen. And then you got this thing called immunity, which is going to calculate some factor on a scale of 1 to 100% of what your current immunity is. We don't know what that factor actually is computed from. It does use a green diode. It says it relies on this and sleep time, and it does give you a number. You have a sports section, which takes you into a variety of activities: walking, running, riding, even swimming is part of this one. So apparently it's a fully waterproof watch. And again, you can select those. There's no GPS, and it doesn't tie to pedometer count. So you're basically getting just time versus your sporting activity calculation of calories burned and your heart rate. Weather will show up after you're tethered to your watch. Same with remote music, overall information, so forth. And then you get into settings, basically about reset and shut down the watch, and that's all the settings there are on this one. So it's a nice, thin, well-constructed, very inexpensive watch with a rubber silicone band. Not a lot of high-end technology here, but very cheap, under $20 watch. New twist is this wallpaper opening instead of your standard watch face, and the immunity measuring on this. Plus, it claims it does 24/7 heart rate and blood oxygen readings. It's worth a look. It's called the F22. Check it out.